morning. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back again with the smartwatch, the upgraded Y68 smartwatch. So there's a lot of queries on how to change the watch face of the upgraded Y68. Okay, so this is a new model. Remember that we have a previous version of the Y68. We have this one. Let me show it to you. So this is the previous version. Okay, so what we have here is the upgraded version with the option to change the watch face. With the Y68, we only have at least two preloaded watch faces. Okay, with the new version, there's a lot of options, especially there's a customization option for watch faces. Still, it is very affordable and easy to use. This time, we're going to try on installing the watch face for your Y68. Again, so if you have any questions regarding this tutorial and smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. So this is a watch face focus video tutorial. Okay, we already demonstrated it in our other videos, but there's a lot of requests again to demo on how to change the watch face. As you can see here, we have a custom watch faces. Again, we have a preloaded watch faces or themes in this smartwatch. So let me show it to you first. Okay, so this is touch button key. Doesn't support touch screen. Again, let's go back. I guess this is available in the more setup or the settings. So we have here the theme. Okay, we have one, two. Oh, again, let's check. Let's make sure. How many watch faces do we have? Okay, at least two preloaded watch faces. But if you want more, we have here available in the support app. So we have the Fit Pro support app. Okay, just go to the set here. Okay, go to dial settings. In the Y68, the dial settings is not available. Okay, let's go to dial settings. Okay, so we have here the default watch face here for our smartwatch. Okay, let's change it. This one. Just tap on it and it will be loaded to your smartwatch. Let's see if it will update our watch face here in the support app. So it takes some time. If it's not working, we'll switch to another watch face. So here, as you can see, it is upgrading. It is trying to install on the support app on the smartwatch, from your support app to your smartwatch. Again, make it sure that it is connected to your Bluetooth connection. Okay, so succeeded. As you can see here, we have the default watch face. So if you want other watch faces, we have here. We have a lot of options here. Okay, so I will show you. Again, you need an internet connection to be able to install these watch faces. Okay, so it's the world of space. So let's check. I want this one. Okay, so it is loading. So you can set here what do you want, the positioning of the time. So let's check this one. Okay, so this is the default. Let's pick this one so you can see it. Okay, then synchronize dial here on the bottom part. So it is synchronizing. Again, it is upgrading. So it is very easy, the tutorial for changing your watch face of your Y68. The upgraded version, I want to make it clear, the upgraded version is very easy. Okay, no issues at all. Okay, so it is upgrading. It may take some time, but anyway, it works. Just have some patience. Okay, it is a good addition to your Y68. Okay, the first Y68 is disappointing. There's only two watch faces with no option in the support app. Okay, well, this one we have a lot of options. Okay, so upgrading 70%. Just wait. Wait, it's coming. Okay, so update success, and we have the watch faces here. And let's go back to the home settings. Okay, so as you can see here, survey focus, that's your watch face. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, what if I don't want the background here? Okay, so let's check and change it to other images. So we have here camera roll. We'll pick this one. Okay, and tap select here. Again, the procedure here is change the dial. Select the image, the desired image, and please select here. Tap on please select. Okay, tap here on the top. So that here it says completed. Again, tap or just select it here. Okay, so here it says completed, so successful. And go back here. Again, let's change completed. Tap on completed. Okay, check and sit. Okay, you got it. Again, let's have another demo. Again, tap here, it is completed. Tap, check it here. Tap on the check here and sit. So change dial, and just like the previous steps, tap on the synchronize dial. So this one is a custom image, so it may take some time. Sometimes it works okay, but sometimes it is unsuccessful. But anyway, most of the time it works. It just takes some time to upload the image because it is not optimized for your smartwatch. So it takes some time, especially the photos. Okay, so let's wait. So upgrading, as you can see here, it takes much longer time compared to the preloaded watch faces here in the support app. Okay, let's wait 35. Again, so we have a lot of preloaded watch faces or installed watch faces in the support app, and while we have at least two watch faces preloaded to the smartwatch. Okay, so it is much better compared to Y68. So again, if you have any questions regarding the tutorial on how to install the watch face for your upgraded Y68, please drop a comment below. Okay, so it is using the Fit Pro support app. Let's see if we will have a successful installation of the custom watch face. So it is still loading. Just wait, have patience, and that's it here. Okay, finally update success, and we have our custom watch face. See it now? We have our watch face here. Okay, so we have the time. You can adjust the time, okay? Here, as you can see, we can adjust the position of the time as well as the date. So that's it. So that's the steps on how to install your watch face. The available watch face in the support app and your own custom watch faces. So far, we have a lot of options here. Okay, from space to female theme, feminine theme, to tourist spot theme, to Chinese calendar here, I think, and space. Okay, so we have a lot of options for the upgraded Y68. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.